Similar shape is an important part of the topic similarity and enlargement. Now in this session today, we are going to learn the concept of scale factor in similarity and enlargement and how it determines on the length, area and volume of similar shapes, and even the relationship that exists in linear scale factor, area scale factor and volume scale factor. Now we can have an example of a cube of sides 2 centimeters enlarged by a scale factor of 3. So to get the image, and the length of the image is unknown, is what we want to find by the relationship based on the linear scale factor, where we have it that linear scale factor is equal to image length over object length. And to get the image length, we multiply 2 times 3 to get 6 centimeters, the length of the bigger cube. Now the length is now enlarged by a scale factor of 3. Crossing over to area scale factor, we can compare the area of one face of the original cube to the area of one face of the enlarged cube. With the diagram below, we have a smaller cube of sides 2 centimeters. Therefore, we can find the area of that face, which will be 4 square centimeters. Because we have the length of the bigger cube, we can as well find the area, which will be 36 square centimeters. And therefore, this means the bigger cube is enlarged 9 times bigger than the smaller cube. So the area scale factor in this case is 9. As well, you can say area scale factor is equal to linear scale factor square, whereby the linear scale factor is 3, and if you square 3, then you'll get 9. Volume scale factor, whereby we are going to compare the volume of the original cube and the volume of the enlarged cube. So we have a smaller cube of side 2 centimeters. We can get its volume by multiplying length times length times length, because it is a cube. So we have 8 cubic centimeters. And because the bigger cube, which happens to be the image after enlargement, but we want to find the enlargement scale factor, that is the volume scale factor. So we can as well find the volume of the bigger cube, that is 6 times 6 times 6, and that will give us 216 cubic centimeters. So this means that the bigger cube has been enlarged 27 times larger than the smaller cube in terms of volume, because we have it that volume scale factor is equal to linear scale factor cubic, and the linear scale factor is 3. So 3 cube is 27, so that is the volume scale factor in this case. Now in summary, if an object is enlarged by a scale factor of k, so we have an object of length 1, and or we can say the length of given an object of length k, then its area and surface area is enlarged by a scale factor of k squared. You can see that well explained in the previous part of this lesson. And as well, we can also say that its volume is enlarged by a scale factor of k cubed.